To build a 15-cylinder motor, you can tell that the power is strong just by listening to this sound. Instead of saying that it is 15-cylinder, it is more reliable to call it an inner rotor brushless motor. If the battery is powerful, the chaos and wind will be stronger. Let's take a look at the production process of this motor. First, 3D print 15 frames around the same wire, assemble the frames, and then fix them on an electric drill to find some coils. Higher voltage and current are needed. A total of 15 such copper wires need to be wrapped around to find a number of metal livers. According to the design, a coil machine is used to saw the metal rod and 3D print a frame. Install the 15 copper wire frames into the middle of the large frame and use metal steel. After the copper wires are fixed and connected, a total of 3 wires are led out. Now start making the support frame. Install the bearings into the support frame and install them with a hammer. Then use screws to install the fixed base. Fix the frame to the base, tighten the screws. This is a 3D printed rotor frame. Find some beauty magnets and glue them on the rotor frame. Fix a metal rod in the middle and finally install the metal rod into the bearing. Fix a screw clamp on the metal rod. Find an electric wire and connect 3 copper wires and test the strong wind. In Xiaobian's eyes, this is the first time I have seen this 15-cylinder foundation laying.